In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar 2025, step by step. We're going to use Zapier to link the two apps so that when you complete a task in Microsoft To Do, a matching action runs in Google Calendar. In this setup, the Google Calendar action deletes an event, which is useful if you treat calendar entries as placeholders for tasks and want them cleaned up automatically when the task is done. Start by signing in to both Google Calendar and Microsoft To Do in your browser. Keeping them open in the same browser helps Zapier recognize your sessions and makes the connection process smoother. Now head to the Zapier homepage. If you're new to Zapier, choose Sign Up and create an account. Otherwise, log in. After you're in, proceed through the prompts and click Continue. So you land on your main workspace. From your Zapier workspace, go to Automated Workflows. This is where you'll build the automation that connects your apps. Begin by selecting the trigger, which is the event that starts the workflow. Choose Microsoft To Do as your trigger app. When Zapier asks you to choose an event, pick the option that triggers when a task is completed. That tells Zapier to watch for completed tasks. Zapier will prompt you to connect your Microsoft account, sign in with your Outlook or Microsoft credentials, and grant the necessary permissions so Zapier can read your tasks. If you see options to specify a list, pick the list you actively use. Click Continue to lock in the trigger settings. Next, set up the action, which is what happens in response. Choose Google Calendar as the action app. When asked to choose an event, select Deletes an event. This means that when your Microsoft To Do task is marked complete, Zapier will delete a corresponding event in Google Calendar. Confirm the calendar you want to affect and be mindful that delete is permanent, so point it at the correct calendar to avoid surprises. Click Continue to save the action. At this point, your syncing setup is ready to run. You can review your trigger and action to make sure the right accounts and calendars are selected, then proceed to start the automation. If Zapier offers a test, it's a good idea to try it with a sample completed task so you can verify the expected event is removed. Sometimes new connections take a moment to initialize. If things don't update instantly, give it a little time and be patient. Once it kicks in, completing a task in Microsoft To Do will automatically trigger the deletion in Google Calendar, keeping your schedule clean and up to date.